Hi traders, this is the Dow Daily. We're just hitting this major resistance level up here at 320. So I am currently short, looking to see if we can close below this level here. Let's see if we can close below 250. And then if we get a reversal bar and if we can break that low tomorrow, then I would look to see if we can drop back down these levels. Hold up here, and of course that is just not going to work. So I'm trying it and looking to see if we can sell at this level. It's a major level, it's a major wall, so I will stick with that plan. The pound yen hopped up to 974, and look, I was hoping it would go into 150, didn't work out. And so it's ended up moving in 100-point range, not giving much away. Pound US dollar broke at 10 o'clock the UK time and has come down here. I think this is I've seen some strength in the dollar. I would look to short that 156.80. I think I pulled this up, but I didn't sort of suggest what I might do with it. I would just stand aside. If the Dow is going to fall through tomorrow, we've got Fed day tomorrow, so expecting a lot of sideways action, and whatever happens to do with the Fed could give us the direction for the rest, a good 4 to 8 weeks at least. If that is weak, then we come out of the Fed day week, and I would expect to see continuation of that selling for the foreseeable future for the short term. So just being careful here. Okay, so if we do see strength in the dollar, this 156.12 is key for the pound. Close underneath that tomorrow, and then we are weak. I suggest in the room that this could short. It's holding up, but we do have a lot of resistance up here. It's very strong. All pullbacks are bought. It's a very slow grind up, so it could still get higher. Euro yen performed better than the pound yen. That's a nice close, and that could well see 129. So intraday, if I am going to buy a yen pair, I'll be more inclined to buy a pullback in that one than the pound yen. Quick look around the markets. This Aussie US is trying, got up to 95 on a 60-minute hammer, but is still looking weak. And with a lower close like that, it looks as if that could just. We're testing a hammer here, a daily hammer at 94.72. So if we can close a little higher in the Asian session, that could still do it. Let me just look at the 60-minute chart. Yeah, you could still do it. Oil, because we are so high and facing so much resistance up here, we're not getting particularly good moves. Having said that, we are an hour and 10 minutes off the pit close, and we are seeing some buying here. So if we close above 98.70, then that could bust up to 100. I think with Fed day around the corner, at the moment the volumes are a little low. Saw some decent moves into the Dow Open, but the volumes are pretty low. Let's look at the Nikkei. The Nikkei is recovering okay on the daily chart. There's Sunday's open at 12,500, and we're currently 13,260. So if this can hold up, then that bodes well for the Dow and the oil commodities. Copper, very weak, not a good sign. Copper is a bellwether. Gold, breaking. That trend line is not drawn very well. If that trend line is drawn along the lows here, you'd still be sitting just above that. I wouldn't. I think that's got further to drop. Let's look at some bellwether stocks. Vodafone recovering some. Scottish Southern, nice move off of 1500 into 1536. Rolls Royce just on that monthly pivot, but holding the lows are getting bought. And US stocks, obviously the US market is not closed yet. Bank of America holding just. Baidu very weak. Apple not doing a whole heap. Moving sideways. Okay, so I am still bearish. I'm still going to short these highs to see if we can get a weak close. Obviously, we've got an hour and so 2.5 hours till the close here. So plenty of time for this to show its hand, but I'm just going to continue to short the highs and hope I can get to the point where I can manage a trade and get a decent run out of it and start seeing some of these S1s and S2s. But of course, all the time we're up here, then that ain't going to work. So I will see if I can stay in this trade. Okay, I hope that helps. Any questions, please let me see them, and see you at the next update.